Today is our day 10 of 90-day challenge of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days, which we are going to be cashing out our money on the 1st of January 2026. Guys, I really want to say something. Yesterday, that was our day 9 after the video that I made teaching how to automate your savings using PiggyVest, right? And that was when I realized that PiggyVest already started their own 90-day challenge. Yes, they actually started their 90-day challenge, and what they are doing is that the minimum amount they are doing is 1,500 naira minimum. Yes, so meaning you expected to be saving 1,500 every single day for 90 days, right? So after that video, a whole lot of you jumped into that challenge with PiggyVest, and I'm so grateful. Like, is it that I'm grateful? Let me say I am proud of you. Yes, I am really proud of you. And if I've never said this before, I want to say it now. I am rooting for you for trying to change your finance or do something about your finance. You are really doing well. Yes, a lot of you joined it, and then they even sent the screenshot of their own challenge to me on WhatsApp, and I want to say you are really doing well. Yes, you are doing well. So today is our day 10 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day. So remember, you must not save up to that 1,000. If you don't have up to that amount, save as little you can be able to save. Yes, so the goal is not just to save. The goal is also to get paid for saving, and that is the reason why I recommended that we are using fintech platform. And when you look at the PiggyVest, you discover that PiggyVest is even going to pay you 14% for your savings, 14% per annum. How cool is that? So you are not just going to save money, right? You are also going to get paid for saving your money. Like, how cool is that? They are paying you for you to save money. Okay, so save the amount you can be able to afford to save. If it is 500 that you can be able to afford every single day, go ahead and do it. If you think the 1,000 is small for you, then increase it, right? Yes, you can decide to do what PiggyVest is doing, which is 1,500. But even if you think the 1,500 is too small, yes, I know there's a whole lot of persons that even 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira a day, or even 10,000 naira a day is too poor for them. Yes, just save as much as you can. Yes, but make sure you stay consistent. So in case you are looking for what is going to keep you consistent throughout the 90-day challenge, then I have some tips that I'm going to give you. Number one tip is to cut down on your expenses. Yes, if you can be able to cut down on your expenses, then you are definitely going to have enough money that can take you throughout the 90-day challenge. So when you cut down on your expenses, you will sure have money to save. But then before cutting down on your expenses, you need to get a job, because it's only someone that has job that can be able to have money. Then that person that has money that can be able to even talk more of cutting down on your expenses. If you don't have a job and don't know how you are going to have money, talk more of cutting down on your expenses. So first and foremost, get a job. When you have a job, you have money, that's when you can be able to cut down on your expenses so you can be able to save. So another tip that is going to keep you consistent is automating your saving. Yes, automating your saving. When you check that PiggyVest challenge, you see that you are going to automate the savings. Yes, you are going to automate it. That's 1,500 that they are paying, or that they are contributing or funding their wallet with every single day for 90 days. It is automated. They give you option of automating it so that it can help you to stay consistent. So I know what I'm saying when I talk about, or when I hammer on automating your savings, because automating your saving is going to be helpful, and it is going to happen even when you are asleep. Yes, because they are going to do everything automatically, seamlessly, without you lifting a finger. They will debit that amount you want to be saving every day from your local bank account, and they are going to send it over to that fintech platform you are using, be it Cowrywise, be it PiggyVest, be it even OPay. Yes, so if MoneyPoint has that feature, I don't know, right? But just try it out, and that's the reason why I'm giving you guys the privilege of using any fintech. I'm not recommending anyone for you. I'm using Cowrywise. If you want to make use of Cowrywise, then beautiful, just go ahead and do it. So cut down on, get a job, right? Yes, so when you have money, when you get paid, then cut down on your expenses and automate your saving. These are the things that is going to help you to stay consistent. Right, so in case you are coming across this challenge for the first time, please, I don't want you to feel like you're too late to join this challenge. I want you to start today. Yes, start today, and you're going to prove to us that, yeah, you are serious to do something about your finance. And I'm really rooting for you. Yes, I'm rooting for you. So do well to click the like button. Yes, just go ahead. This is what I want you to do for me. Yes, go ahead and click the like button in exchange of the value you're always getting on this channel. And if you're here to join this beautiful family, I personally want you to do so. Yes, I personally want you to join our beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Please just go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing that subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching, right? Yes, so in case you're looking for more ways you can be able to make money, or more ways your money can be able to make money for you, or more ways you can be able to make money without bringing any two persons, that will bring two persons, that will end up bringing extra two persons before you can be able to earn money, then you see this video on the screen right now. Yes, this video, I recommend you click on it. Yes, so go ahead and click on the video, and I will definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning, guys. Keep winning. I'm always rooting for you. Keep winning, and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the other video, we go again tomorrow, comrade. Bye.